This video is for copywriters. Okay, so in this video I have gathered a few free copywriting courses that are really helpful. Okay, I looked at some of these courses, I looked at their reviews, I did a lot of research as usual because I wanted to give you a list that is worth listening to, a list that you're going to get benefit from. Okay, so all of the courses here, they are free copywriting courses and they are beginner friendly. Okay, so in case you're a copywriter and you're not really looking to spend some money yet, you want to just get an overview of what copywriting is, get a few things here and there, then this is an excellent place for you to start. I highly recommend that you take these courses. Okay, they are short, most of them are just short, and very impactful. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's just get straight into the courses. I have 5 for you and let's get started. So guys, I have officially started preparing my course, the right course. For those of you who have been following me on here for a while, I told you that I am going to work on releasing a course before the year runs out, and I've finally started working on it. So it's a course for content writers. It's an in-depth course, which is why I've been scared to start working on it all along, but then finally I've garnered the mustered the courage to start and everything. And yes, so keep me in check. Before, I don't want to give a date, okay, but pretty soon the course will be ready and available for you to purchase. So you know me, you trust me, you know how I am so particular about you learning how to write, and this course is about content writing for beginners. It's teaching you step by step how to write, so it's something that you want to get. Okay, so I'm so excited about it and I hope you are too. I'll give you updates and of course I'll let you know when it's ready. Alright, so you guys, we're getting started in a moment. However, in case you're seeing this channel for the first time, I talk about writing and how you can monetize your content writing career. So if this is something that you're interested in, then you want to click subscribe so that you can join my family here and turn on notifications so that you don't miss my future videos. Alright, quickly, let's just get straight into the courses that I have for you today. So the first course on my list is one from someone called Tyson 4D. If you are into copywriting, then you probably know him here on YouTube. He's a very popular copywriter on YouTube, and he has a free course that is titled 0 to 10K in 90 days. So he's promising you that after taking his course, you'll be able to go from $0 to $10,000 from copywriting in 90 days. Guys, that's a huge claim and I love it. All right, so it's a course on YouTube and it's about 4 hours long. Okay, and my favorite part of this course is that it doesn't just teach you what copywriting is, it also teaches you how to get clients. Okay, so it's something that you want to look into. All right, it will teach you what you should do and it will teach you how you can get copywriting clients. So if this is something that you might be interested in, there's a link. I've linked all the courses in my description box as usual, so you can go and check it out. I'm going to tell you what I like about the course and what I don't really like. So for this particular course, what I don't like is that Tyson kind of makes it look a bit easier than it actually is. Okay, well, yeah, I guess that's all the part of it. So yep, that's number 1. Course number 2 on my list is called Filthy Rich Writers. It's a free course. Of course, all the courses I'm listing here are free, but this particular one is called Filthy Rich Writers. The instructor is Nikki Crow. I don't know how to pronounce that name, Crow something. I'll put it out there. But yeah, she's the instructor of the course and it's a very engaging course. That's why I like it. Okay, a lot of reviews say that it's not boring. It's something that you can relate with. She gives a lot of instances that she makes the course. It's about an hour plus long. Alright, so it's something that you can definitely look into. Now, the not so good part, what I don't really like about it is that for this course you have only a few days. Once you register, they're going to send you the course as a video, and you have only about 4 to 6 days to watch it, or else it closes down. After that time, it shuts down and you can't access it again. All right, I guess that will kind of spoil you to go straight into the course and start watching it as quickly as you can, right? Yeah. Number 3 is from Udemy. It's a course on Udemy and it's a free course. Okay, now this course, why I really like it is that it gives you some tools, all right, that you can use to make copywriting easy for you. So it will give you the basic knowledge about copywriting. It will also tell you a few tools that you can use. All right, so it's very recommended. It's basic. It's a short course, so it's easy for you to take in knowledge. Now, well, the thing about this course, the part that I really do not fancy a lot, is that it doesn't really teach you how to write copy. All right, it just tells you basics, what copywriting is, shows you a few things, and then gives you tools. All right, but it doesn't really teach you how to write copy. But yeah, I guess all that knowledge is very important for you, especially if you're just beginning. So yeah, check it out. Course number 4 for this video is from someone called Jessie Forrest, a known copywriter also, and this course is on YouTube. It's about an hour long and it's very intense, it's very educative, it's highly recommended. Now, Jessie Forrest has been doing copywriting for over 20 years, which makes him a very experienced copywriter. So if there's someone you want to take advice from, is someone that is experienced, that has this knowledge, so you can trust that this course will be, it will be a mix of practical experiences, personal stories and all of that. So if that's something you're into, then you should take this course. And guys, the final course on my list is from Nardi. It's also a YouTube course. It's about 40 minutes long. It's free. Now the thing about this course is that it's kind of basic, but then if you're a beginner, then that's what you want to start with, right? You don't want to jump, you want to start from the basics, right? So yes, it's highly recommended for you if you're just starting out copywriting and you want to get the basics. Then get this Nardi's course. Yes, so there you have it, guys. 5 free copywriting courses. So if you're just starting out as a copywriter, or even if you're already a professional, I bet there are some tips and tricks you can pick from those courses. Okay, so instead of waiting while you are saving to buy a full course, a well detailed course, okay, you can start by taking these free courses. All right, so there are other courses that are very great, but this one was just free. So all of these ones are free. So if you want me to mention paid courses that are also highly recommended, then let me know and I'll do my research and I'll mention them for you. But yeah, these ones are free and anybody can take them. Yep, so that's it, guys. Thank you for staying till the end of this video. I hope you learned something, and I hope that if you stay to those points, you already subscribe. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.